Now with Kärcher, let's take a look at the EB30/1, electric broom 30 to 30 centimeters, which is 12 inches, and 1 for 1 liter of recovery, about 1 quart. We'll look at the use, the operation, and the maintenance of the EB30/1. So let's take a look. Let's get our EB30/1 ready for operation. Let's remove our brush. Push this button here, release. And if we have any hair or debris on there, we can cut along this groove right here on the roller, and we can remove any hair or lint that needs to be on there. There's a spring on one end and the button on the other. So insert the spring end to the opposite side. Simply snap into place. Remove our battery from the charger. It does take about 110 minutes for a full charge. We'll get 30 minutes of operation on carpet and 40 minutes of operation on hard floor with a full charge. So we'll just slide that in. Now we have a couple of settings here we can adjust for our handle. If it's in the up position, now I can turn to the side, or I can lock that in the down position and it'll stay rigid and just move forward and backwards. And I'll show you that a little bit more when the handle's attached. We can insert our debris bin. We have the yellow daily touch points, so we have that yellow daily to remove the battery. We have the yellow daily touch point to remove our waste bin, and we have our yellow for our on and our off. I'm going to put the handle in and we're ready to operate. The last adjustment I like to make is with the telescoping handle. I can turn this yellow to the left and I can adjust the telescope just where I want it, and then turn it to the right to lock that in. Now I have the base locked in position just forward and backwards, but I can adjust that so that I can make turns just as easily. It's designed for a foot pedal for start and stop, and as you can see, I can get very low and underneath a lot of furniture and still pick up debris. Well, thanks for learning about the Kärcher EB30/1.
Kärcher makes a difference.